Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it's a makeup video. So we are going to be looking at some Avon product, because y'all know I'll be rocking the best Avon lady, okay? And she is, first of all, wonderful. And I'm not just saying that. Well, maybe I am just saying that. But in any event, we are going to be looking at some great color combinations that you guys can use for the holiday season. You ready? Let's do this. All right, guys. So the first lip color combination we are going to be taking a look at, we are going to be using the Avon Beyond Color lipstick, and we are using Truffle as a base. Now, Truffle is my favorite lipstick from the Avon across all of their lines, and as you can see, I had to dig into it in order to even get product out. I use this color so much. Now we're going to do Truffle as a base all over the lip, and then we're going to come back with the Berry Cute, which is a really nice plum color, and we're just going to use the plum on the inside of the lip, top and bottom. You can use this look with or without a liner. I recommend, if you're going to use a liner, to use a black, a dark brown, or a dark berry. Now, the next lip color combination, it is the perfect dynamic duo just based on name alone. We're starting with Revenge. Now, Revenge is in the Beyond Colored line from Avon. And it is a dark berry, kind of a medium to dark berry color. And we're going to take this and we are going to do the entire lip in the Revenge. And then we're going to come back, and on top of that, we are going to put Bitten. Now, Bitten, love Bitten. Bitten might be intimidating to some because it is a very vibrant lilac color, okay? But what we're going to do by layering it on top of the Revenge is that you still get that kick and that sass that Bitten gives you, but the Revenge helps to kind of tone it down, give it a little bit more sophisticated look. Now, this is a look that you can use with or without a liner. That is your choice. All right, guys, so here is my inspiration actually for this video. This is my new favorite go-to look of all of my Avon lipsticks. Now, this is a nice combination. We're going to start with a dark lip liner. Now, I happen to use black, but if you have a dark berry or dark brown, you can actually use that as well. So after we line our lips, we're going to come back over with the Cherry Jubilee, and Cherry Jubilee is in the True Colored Lipstick collection. And after we line the lips with the Cherry Jubilee, do not go over the entire lip. We're just using it as a liner. We're going to come back with the Marvelous Mocha. And the Marvelous Mocha is in the True Color Perfectly Matte lipstick collection. Now you're going to go over the entire lip with the Marvelous Mocha. And then from there, you're going to take a nice gloss, a plain gloss over top of that look. And that is going to give you just, to me, the perfect nude lip with a little touch of berry for women who might have a more medium to darker skin tone. I love this look. I showed this look to my Avon rep, and she was like, oh my gosh, that is awesome. Can you post the picture? And I was like, well, the rest of my face looks whack, so how about I just redo the look? And now it has turned into this video, guys, but I hope you do enjoy it. I love this combination. Cherry Jubilee on the base, Marvelous Mocha on top. Finish it off with a nice clear gloss, and mwah, you are ready for the holidays. All right, so for this next look, now this is my neutral look, guys, and I think this look is something that can go across all skin ranges, okay, skin color ranges. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the Marvelous Mocha, and that's going to be your base. You're going to do the entire lip in the Marvelous Mocha, and that is the True Color Perfectly Matte lipstick line. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come on top of that with Pink Blossom. Now, I know some of my medium to darker sisters might look at that Pink Blossom and say, girl, you have lost your mind. But I know it's bright. Just bear with me. because when you combine that pink blossom with that marvelous mocha, something really beautiful happens. And it is going to give you kind of like that perfect peachy nude color that, again, will look great, I truly believe, across all skin tone ranges. This is a look that does not use a liner. You can if you choose to, but I think without a liner, it's perfect. All right, guys. So this next combination is what I like to say where class meets sass. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we have our Cherry Jubilee in the True Color collection, and we are lining our lips with the Cherry Jubilee. Now, the Cherry Jubilee is that medium to dark red tone, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take probably the most fun color I think in the entire Avon collection, the Peach Petunia. It is bright, guys. It's bright, it's wild, but man, when you combine it with the Cherry Jubilee, it looks amazing. And so what we're doing is we're lining with the Cherry Jubilee. We're going to go over the entire lip with the Peach Petunia. And with that, it allows a nice little gradation from dark to light and brightness kind of at the center of the lip. And it is beautiful, it is fun, and it is perfect for the holiday. All right, guys, now this is the last look that we have for you today. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the liner. Now, I am using a black liner, but if you have a berry or wine tone liner, that will also work for this look. So after we line our lips, we're going to come back in. We're going to do Hot Plum, which is part of the True Color Perfectly Matte Lipstick collection. And we're doing the entire lip, y'all, in Hot Plum. It's bright, but it is beautiful. Now, after we got our whole lip done in Hot Plum, we're going to come back in and we are going to hit it with the Mad for Mauve in the Beyond Color collection. Now, Mad for Mauve, it's a softer, as you can see, it's a softer lilac color. But what it's going to do, it's going to kind of drop the warmth down a notch on the Hot Plum, kind of ice it out. And it's just this beautiful icy lilac color. Your lips are going to look fabulous.
In any event, I do hope you enjoy the color combinations that I have presented to you today. Now, all of these colors are available as of the time that I have received these in this past year. Okay, so you want to check with your local Avon rep. If you do not have a local Avon rep, you are feel free to use my Avon rep. I don't get a kickback of anything other than a text message say, "Oh, thanks, hon." That's but I love you though. You know. So in any event, you feel free to contact her. She has an online store. So like I am here in Georgia, my rep lives in New York, but she is always there. When I have questions, I can send her a text or email. I can hit her up on Facebook as well, you know. So she's just always there when I have questions. Oh, hey, do you have samples of something? I'm looking for a foundation. I'm still looking for a foundation. But I know that Avon's been working on their foundations that are in my range. So hopefully, you know, I can eventually, we can work something out. But in any event, I'll leave all that information for you guys, and y'all know the drill. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.